Why did you allow that guy to talk to you that way? Bakit hindi mo siya sinagot? Dapat nangatwiran ka.
Ma'am, we are not in court. It was my fault. Wala kang alam kaya stop meddling. You're just making everything worse.
Don't talk to me that way, Brian. I'm still your mother.
Yeah, a few days a year.
Excuse me. I've been trying to call you non-stop, pero hindi mo sinasagot ang telepono mo. I'm trying here. Ikaw ang hindi nakikipag-cooperate.
Don't tell me you flew all the way here from the States just to talk to me.
Yes, I did. Dahil kung ano-ano na naririnig ko about you. What's this I hear that you're dating your alalay, huh? Is that true?
Yes. Maru here is my girlfriend.
Is this some kind of publicity stunt?
No.
Then what, huh? Some kind of rebellion? Are you using this girl to try to prove to me and your dad na kaya mo na ang sarili mo, ha?
Mom, I'm with Maru because I like her. And she has been with me when you guys weren't. And she understands me more than you and Dad.
Stop the drama, please, Brian, okay? We both know ikaw ang pumili nito. Kung kami ng papa mo nasunod, you'd be back in America with us, not
what?
here.
To what, Mom? To leave me there alone? To make me study business even if I don't want to? At least dito, Mom, I'm with people who care about me. And I'm doing the thing that I love.
Really? Ikaw, sinabi mo sa akin babantayan mo ang anak ko, hindi ba? Alam ba ito ni Divine? Where is she? Ha? It's been nothing but one scandal after another. And now you're telling me you are in a relationship with your alalay?
Pwede ba, Mom? Walang kinalaman si Divine dito. And everything here, it's all my decision. Even my relationship with Maru. Maru. Maru, wait, please. I'm sorry. Ow! Ow! Okay.
Ba't ba kasi hindi mo na lang inamin na hindi mo naman ako girlfriend? Di pati nanay mo galit sa akin ngayon.
Maru, please! Please, Maru. Believe me. Kung nalaman ni Ma'am na kontrata lang ang relationship natin, she'll tear us apart. Maru, ang ayaw ni Ma'am nagsisinungaling tayo.
Diyos ko, Brian, hindi ba pagsisinungaling yun? Tsaka ano naman kung malaman niya ang totoo, ay maghihiwalay na rin naman tayo, di ba?
But in a few weeks. Look, just give us time. Aayusin ko to, I promise you. I will say this again. Don't leave me.
Brian, bakit ba? Bakit ba atat na atat ka sa pagstay ko? Ano, para protektahan pa rin ang relasyon yung dalawa ni Trina?
No, that's not it, Maru. Look, I might not be able to say it to you in person, but you mean so much to me. Nabibilang ko lang sa isang kamay ko kung sino ang mga close sa buhay ko. And you, Maru, you are part of it.
Ikaw na naman. Dahil pa rin sa'yo kasi ayaw mo mabawasan yung mga kaibigan mo.
You made my life way, way better when you became part of it. But look what I did to yours. I made it worse. Okay, please. Papaguhin ko to. Just give me